What's the meaning of boating? Boating. Boating.
Boating. Boating. Boating refers to the recreational and competitive activity of using a boat on water, such as lakes, rivers, and oceans. It can involve various types of watercraft, including sailboats, motorboats, kayaks, and canoes. Boaters may engage in activities such as fishing, water skiing, wakeboarding, or simply cruising along the waterway. Boating can be both relaxing and exhilarating, providing an opportunity for individuals to connect with nature and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. However, it is important for boaters to observe safety precautions and regulations, as accidents on the water can be particularly dangerous. Overall, boating is a popular pastime enjoyed by many people around the world.